Hello, everybody. This work was for Internavi. It's a Honda's network car navigation system that designs driving experience with the power of real-time driving data collected from vehicles. The origin of these core technologies go back to more than 20 years ago from Formula One. It is called a telemetry system, a technology that collects and analyzes data from the accelerator and engine of the F1 machine. To tell this story, we reenacted the world's fastest lap set by Ayrton Senna while qualifying for the 1989 Formula One Japanese Grand Prix using this driving data recorded by Honda's telemetry system. The first step was to digitally restore and analyze Senna's engine and acceleration data from that race. We launched a data visualization website to show the digitalized data. The second step was to collect engine tones from the machine. It was recorded under different rotation rates, mounted microphones inside, on, and outside the vehicle. Then, by combining Senna's data and the engine tones recorded today, the engine sound of the fastest lap was recreated. On a WebGL-based website, everybody could experience Senna race through Suzuka circuit in 3D. You can also enjoy driving to the engine sound of the F1 machine on your own car, synchronized with the GPS and accelerometer on your smartphone. So this is the whole story of this project. Thank you.